Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you guys so much for coming. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you guys for staying subscribed. You know I love you all. So today I'm going to show you guys 3 quick easy styles I do on my natural hair, and as you can see, these are easily done on TWA. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So some things you're going to need to make your job easier are pick, gel, and edge control. Those are standards for us naturalistas, you already know. So I'm parting my hair into 2. I'm going to do kind of like a half up, half down, but I'm going to do 2 little ponytails in the front. And just fluffing my hair out, and then I'm gonna do my edges, and that's basically it, guys. Okay, so for this next style, I'm basically just going to tailor off the one I just did. I'm going to brush my part away, and I'm just going to bring my hair up. Literally, I'm just doing a half up, half down, and I'm just going to put that into a puff. And then I'm just using a rounded bobby pin just to keep those edges in and just make it look more sleek. This style is by far one of my favorites. I love styling my hair like this, and it's just super easy to do. Okay, and my third and final style is the high puff. This is probably the one I wear the most. It's just super easy, low maintenance. And if you guys want to see a more detailed video on how I do my high puff, I will link my high puff video down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below, let me know which style was your favorite, and if you do decide to do one of these styles, tag me so that I can see the video. I'd love to see it. And again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!